Welcome to a couple of bunkies. First thing I'd like to say is that I'm going to try to use this video a little bit as a promotional tool and a channel update. We've never had a definitive video that kind of shows all of the things that we're doing and all the things that we're going to try to do in the future. I hope you stay tuned for the whole video. Thank you. We've accumulated a lot of small projects all throughout the house, and one of them was installing these LED lights inside of the garage.
First thing we did is laid out all of the lights the way we needed to put it on the ceiling.
Then I go ahead and use the Deco cordless screwdriver in order to drill a hole. Then I installed a drywall anchor with a hammer. Then, using the Phillips screwdriver attachment for the Deco tool, I attached the mounting bracket to the drywall. And finally attached the LED light to the mounting bracket. And I continued this process until all of the lights are hanging.
Oh, Tim, I think you can use some coffee. You know where you can get some?
Where can I get some coffee?
At buymeacoffee.com.
But I don't have any coffee on buymeacoffee.com.
Oh my goodness, we need to ask our listeners to get us some coffee at buymeacoffee.com.
This is where you can buy us 1 cup of coffee for $3.
Or you can join our walnut level for only $5 a month, where you can access premium content from our channel.
Oh boy, that really hit the spot. Thanks for buying me a coffee, sweetheart.
You're welcome.
So previously in this garage, it was extraordinarily dark and hard to work on anything. And since we installed these lights, it's been nice and bright and we've been able to work on just about everything.
A while ago we worked on a project together fixing a weed wagon, and we really could have used some bright lights just like this. It was really hard to see what we were doing, and we had to bring in all the LED lights from around the house in the garage.
I would also like to, at some point in time, have a light angled towards the hood of the vehicle. So if I pull in the car or truck, I can have the LED at a 45-degree angle off the wall so it shines right into the hood. While having the LEDs pointing straight down is great for ambiance and you get a lot of light off of it, I think having an angled light going over a work area is a very smart way of doing things. So this is the first of many home projects that we're going to be doing with the Deco Pro cordless screwdriver.
We used this tool in many of the future projects, making a pet cabinet which really turned out beautiful. We also wanted to make a campsite table which turned out really pretty.
Of course, it was supposed to be a chair. We also used it in part in order to make a shower stool. I really needed a nice slow-paced video just like this in order to give kind of an update on our channel and how everything's going. By the time that this is released, we should have a little over 300 subscribers. Our TikTok has 1,550 followers. Our Instagram has 438 followers. We sell boxes, walking sticks, and cutting boards on our Etsy. And we have a handful of walking sticks on our eBay store.
We would also like to take this opportunity to introduce our Bunky Dog.
And here's the end results. Our garage looks well lit and looks amazing. And that Harley Davidson motorcycle in the corner is really going to be a nice future project. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates. Thank you.